What's up, people? So right now we're going to be doing a countdown of the top 5 issues you're likely to face with clients, especially Nigerian clients. Well, let's get to it. At number 5, price fishing clients. Nigerian clients will always try to price you, no matter where you start from. Even if you say it costs 5 naira, you'll say, can't we do it for 1 naira? There will always be clients who will price and price. So stand strong. If you haven't watched our video on negotiation, that's negotiation 101. And what's that, on our channel. So protect yourself from price fishing clients. Number 4, hand holding clients. Clients who would probably hold your hand through the whole process. Oh, why not make the logo bigger? Why not put the logo on the left? Why not do this on the right? Can you let me rest? I need rest. So I mean, those are the top kinds you need to avoid. But how to avoid them? I think you start seeing these signs from the start. When they're giving you their brief, they say, "So I like the logo to be on the left, and the design should be very flashy." So when they don't give specific details, and they're more about the ephemeral things, as it were, that's how running. Number 3, still in line with clients who don't give proper briefs, clients who give terrible briefs. So the solution for that is to ask as many questions as possible, ask specific questions about their problems, try to figure out what their pain points are. And if they, even with that, still say, just do your thing, just be creative with it. Right? Yeah? Be Chris. Because they're going to stress you, man. They will stress your life. Please just run, always have a specific brief before, going into any project. Number 2, too many changes, too many variations. Once a client starts saying, for this design, let's have 10 variations, those disappear. They're going to stress you. And the solution to that is, beforehand, let your client know that for every design iteration, for every design, we're only going to give you 2 iterations. For any other iteration for every design, it's going to cost you this, percentage more than you normally would. You understand? So just let them know ahead of time your terms of agreements. You're signing a contract, then it should be included in your contract. You don't just let them sign a template terms of agreement that you have. If not, keep changing. Version 1, version 2, version 2, final, last one. Until, I don't know, you give up the ghost. I'm just kidding. And then the top client issues you face: clients that don't pay the balance on time. Like, just send the money, for heaven's sake. I mean, why are you wasting so much time? So always try to get payments as you go on this job, so you have like very little to collect at the end of the day. Even then, I still know clients who would take so much time to send out. So if you have any other experiences or issues that you face with clients, whether Nigerian clients in the abroad, Upwork, or whatever freelance platform you use, let us know in the comment section. Let's laugh together. So yeah, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, share